Hello class, today is Thursday, May 28th, 2020, and today we're going to learn irregular plurals. But first, we are going to make a review. Pay attention. You already know that singular is for one person or one thing, and plural for two or more things or people. Ok, tú ya sabes que singular es para una cosa o una persona y plural para dos o más cosas o personas. Ahora, tú ya sabes que para ser plural una palabra le agregamos es. We add es at the end of the word. Le agregamos ese al final de la palabra. For example, we have here this chart. This is singular and this is plural. So, for example, one pen, two or more pens. Then we have one apple, two or more apples. Then we have one book, two or more books, okay? Now we are going to learn the irregular plurals. Estos plurals no les tienes que agregar es al final. En estos plurals la palabra cambia por completo. For example, let's see. Here we have one man. Tenemos un hombre. Pero esta palabra, para hacerla plural, no decimos mans. Para hacerla plural, vamos a decir men. ¿Ok? ¿Han visto, por ejemplo, que, para una persona, para un hombre, tenemos como Spider-Man, Iron Man? Terminan en man porque solo es uno. ¿Pero han oído hablar de los X-Men? Bueno, se llaman X-Men porque son más de dos, ¿ok? Let's go to the other. One woman, una mujer. But two or more women, ¿ok? Women. Aquí quiero que pongas mucha atención en la pronunciación porque no se dice guman ni gu, no es con G, es con U, woman and women, okay? Pay attention there. And then we have one child. Aquí puede ser child para boy o para girl, ¿ok? Aquí puse boy, pero también puede ser girl, ¿ok? And then we have children for two or more, ¿ok? Now open your class book in page 108 and we're going to listen, ¿ok? Pay attention.
154. Listen and point. Man. Men. Woman. Women. Child.
Child.
Children.
Children.
Woman. Man.
Man.
Child.
Child.
Men. Children.
Children.
Women. Listen and repeat. Man, men, woman, women, child,
child,
children.
children. Okay, class. Now, let's go to the chant.
Listening 155. Listen.
Man, man, man. Men, men, men. Woman, woman, woman. Women, women, women. Child, child, child. Children, children, children.
Well done. Now, let's watch this, okay? Here, pay attention. You are going to listen and watch the story. And then you're going to pause the video and you're going to read the story aloud. Vas a escuchar y ver la historia. Y cuando termine, vas a leer la historia en voz alta, ¿ok? Pay attention.
Tell me about school today. Was it good?
Oh, yes. Yes, it was great. It was the school prize giving. We were late.
Hurry up.
There weren't any children in the classroom, but there were some teachers.
Where's the prize giving?
The prize giving was in the playground.
Look, lots of men, women and children.
There was a prize for English.
The prize goes to Rosie and Tim. Well done.
We were the winners. It was a great day.
Okay, class. Now, close your class book. Now, here you are going to look at the pictures and write the correct word, okay? Remember, you have to pay attention if it's singular or plural. And then go to exercise number 3. Here you have to write there is or there are. Remember, we use there is for one, okay? And we use there are for two or more. So pay attention there. And finally, you are going to copy or print this vocabulary, okay? And when you finish, you are going to write one sentence with each vocabulary word, okay? Vas a escribir una oración con cada palabra del vocabulario. And that's it for today, class. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Have an excellent day.